Donna Kalas, General Manager of Dana Wharf Sport Fishing and Whale Watching, but most important, the Chair of the Dana Point Festival of Whales. The Festival of Whales, it's the 42nd annual. It runs March 2nd, 3rd, 9th, and 10th. During the festival, we have several different whale watching trips that depart various times of the day. Like Dana Wharf, for instance, has trips that leave every hour on the hour from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And all trips are 2 to 2.5 hours in length. We also, within Dana Point Harbor, we have two other companies that offer whale watching trips as well. And again, they're about 2 to 2.5 hours in length. We all have about a 85 to 90% success rate in just seeing whales. And most of the time, probably 95% of the time, we see dolphins as well. So it's great to come whale watching in Dana Point to see the California gray whale.
Again, the females cooperatively hunt, they cooperatively raise the young, they have a school. They've studied bottlenose dolphins off southern Florida for decades now. So I don't know if you've seen any of the footage too. We're up on the Monterey Bay. Yeah, there's a spout. There's just about 11 o'clock, just literally inside the kelp, between us and the kelp, there's a little side tail.
We welcome people to come to the 42nd Annual Festival of Whales in Dana Point. If you've never been here before, we welcome all new visitors to Dana Point. It is the best place on earth to see the California gray whale, and for those 2 weekends we celebrate it and we invite you to join us.